Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a pre-owned Ford F-150 SuperCrew King Ranch Edition. Oxford white in exterior color. The King Ranch comes with a chrome appearance package. That gives us a chrome plated grille and lower bumper, chrome tow recovery hooks, mirror caps, door handles, and alloy wheels with a 6-bolt pattern with nitrogen-filled tires. At the exterior, we have LED headlamps, daytime running lights, signal lamps, and a pair of halogen fog lamps. We have a front engine block heater. We have aftermarket fender flares, bliss blind spot monitoring mirrors with LED side lighting, a 5.5-foot box, a roll-up tonneau cover, heavy-duty mud flaps, and 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers. We have an overhead twin-panel moonroof, and it's all powered by a 3.5-liter Ecoboost turbocharged engine, paired to an automatic transmission with electronic shifting 4-wheel drive and just approximately 20,000 kilometers on the odometer. Climb inside to a warmer, cool interior thanks to the Ford factory remote start and intelligent access key. Inside you'll find power windows, power locks, and power folding mirrors, memory seating, a wood grain interior, and a King Ranch brown leather interior. We have King Ranch floor mats, automatic lighting controls, power adjustable brake pedals, a leather wrapped and power heated steering wheel that offers cruise control, driver's airbag, trackpad for the digital information center, media center controls, and so much more. We have a unique interior exclusive to the King Ranch. We have a push button engine start, and King Ranch embossed leather seating with two-tone brown saddle leather. We have lumbar support and 10-way power seat, heated and cooled front seats, overhead power sunshade, and powered twin-panel moonroof. We have an auto-dimming rearview mirror, universal garage openers, and a place to store your glasses. We have a digital information center located in the screen for the instrument cluster. We have a My Ford Touch system with factory navigation and backup camera, Bluetooth phone controls, AM/FM radio and CD player, optional Sirius satellite radio subscription, a 12-volt 110 power outlet, a smart charge USB port, dual climate control zones, standard air conditioning and rear window defrost. We have ambient lighting and another walk-in glove box for additional secure storage. In the rear, we have a virtually flat storage floor, a 60-40 split rear bench, heated outboard seats, a 110 and 12-volt power outlet, and rear air vents, as well as storage in the door panels and the pockets of the seat back of the driver and passenger seat. At the rear of the F-150, we have a King Ranch stainless steel placard, a chrome tailgate handle, and a chrome rear bumper. We have rear park sensors, trailer towing connection with 7 and 4-pin electrical, a power lock-in tailgate, a spray-in box liner, and a roll-up tonneau cover. In the box, we have box link management system and LED box lighting. We have a set of LED tail lamps with reverse lights in the LED style as well. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. Look forward to seeing you in our showroom, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.